5.2010 Toyota Tacoma regular cab. This vehicle features the following equipment, not specified: 4-sill, side airbag system, dual airbags, traction control system, vanity mirrors, side impact door beams, removable tailgate, vehicle stability assist, tire pressure monitor, EBD electronic brake disc, EBA emergency brake assist, tachometer, adjustable headrests, head restraints, front bench seat, mud guards, automatic shoulder belts, color-coded mirrors, power outlet S, anti-lock braking system, anti-lock brake system, beverage holder S.